Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel and my new curtains. Okay, I have my November, October, October IPSY unboxing. I got it a week, maybe two ago, and when I went to grab it, I was like, wait, which one is the new one? Because I still have last month's in the bag. Next to my Walmart beauty box, I still have not unpacked any of these because I went on my trip, I think, right after, right after, and then this last week at work has been crazy. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. Ooh. I thought it was Tom Ford. This is Laboratories Filagora. Super Smoothing Radiance Eye Care. Oh, this is a nice size sample. Or it's half an ounce, so it's almost full size. Or that could be the full size. I don't know. This is half caked double feature. Admit one. I don't know what it is. Okay. Oh, it's a lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. Oh, it says lip fondant and gloss. So a lip color with a gloss. Oh, wait. There's two things in there. Okay. Oh, so on this side is Rich Rich, and this one is ASAP. Okay, so that's ASAP, and that's Rich Rich. Okay, ASAP is, oh, that's pretty. Nice little gloss. So this must be the lipstick. Coordinating color. Oh, no. Oh, so this is like a color gloss, and this is like a more sheer gloss. Oh, that's so cute. This is lip oil, so we're not going to mix those, but these two together look really cute. So these would be great on a day off when I don't have to wear my mask. Well, when I'm at home or visiting with someone, I don't have to wear my mask because otherwise it's pointless. My new curtains are so pretty, but they're stealing the show right now. Okay. Next in the bag is this Araceli gel pencil eyeliner duo with a sharpener. Ooh. Too close? Not close enough. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm getting all these notifications on the side, and I'm just like trying to move them out of the way. Okay. Oh. Okay, we're moving right along. Okay, sharpener's right on top. I can't get it out. Oh, and the cinnamon and chocolate are the colors. Nope, not gonna do it. Sorry. I got distracted because part of it was really, really clear. Okay, ooh. Okay. Nice sharpener. I'm looking at it like, nice sharpener. Very good. That's a nice. Oh, and two pencils. This is the duo week, huh? These are two different colors. One looks like a pearlescent, and one is like a matte. That's what they look like in the tube itself. So this one is the gel pencil in cinnamon, and then this one is the gel pencil in chocolate. So yeah, the cinnamon has a little bit more of a shimmer to it in general when you look at cinnamon. So I guess that's how they did that. These look really pretty though. Oh, and it's a easy sharpen tip. Don't get on my curtains. Ah, scared me there for a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna put all these in a different bag. I'm not gonna put that back in the box. If I put it back in the box, I'll never use it. Okay, ooh, 4 minutes. Okay, Skin and Lab, Skin Science Solution, Dr. Vita Clinic B Plus Calming. Looks like a serum. Applied to an entire face after cleansing. A special care pad to the problematic area. Okay. Oh, calming, probably calming the redness. And let's drop those on the floor. Again, another nice size. I feel like putting them back in the bag, but I don't want to confuse myself. Okay, so this is the last thing in the bag, so now I can put my stuff back in the bag. Okay, one more thing, and that is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Tape Setting Powder. Oh, cool. I know some people who like Tarte. I don't really use makeup that much. Shape Tape Setting Powder. I feel like there's something about their Shape Tape. Oh, actually, I can't give this away because it's probably suited to my skin tone. It is. Well, yeah, translucent tan deep. So I'll be using this. This is cute. This is a nice little, it's smaller and a little more convenient. Of course, there's a mirror there, little puff. It's covered, but it's got a little sifter. You open it here and take that off and do it that way if you like, or leave it on. That's cute. That's good packaging. Very good packaging. Okay, so I'll be keeping that and using that periodically. Whew. Okay, so I feel like it's like 90 degrees, and it might be, but it's got, obviously it's very breezy. And that's my IPSY box for last month? Probably last month. It's the middle of November, so maybe it was early. Maybe they do theirs early in the month. I don't know. I don't know. I just know I've had it for 2 weeks. And the other ones are still in their packages. That's all I know. This was a cool box, too. Oh, that's right. I had all those face masks with eyeshadow palette. Oh, crap. I forgot about this stuff. Okay, yeah. So I need to unpack this stuff when I get it so I know what I have and I can start using it. Shame on me. Okay. That is my IPSY unboxing for now. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my curtains. They're a little unruly today, but we'll get them under control for the next video. But again, we love filming outside, so it's such a beautiful day in mid-November, so it's awesome. All right, you guys have it blessed week. Take care and show love to somebody this week. Peace.